how to show or hide the S Pen Air Command icon on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we go down and then tap on advanced features. After that, tap on S Pen. Then tap on Air Command. From here, we scroll down. Then tap on Show Air Command icon. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. When you turn on the Air Command icon, you can see there will be an icon here. So I can simply tap on it anywhere on the screen, and that will open up the shortcut right here. Now, because I have a screen protector on, so that caused some issues with using the Air Command, the screen is not so sensitive with the S Pen. So I need to hold and touch a bit longer than usual to open up the item to make the pen recognize on the screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.